Pemirsa, Paikatan Indonesia sareng Tiongkok nyabran warsa saya nincak. Megakali panegara puniki mepaikatan bilateral ring widang infrastruktur, pendidikan, kebudayaan, iptek miwah teknologi komunikasi. Paindikan punika kebausang oleh Konjen Republik Rakyat Tiongkok, Gou Haodong.
Konjen RRT Ring Denpasar Gou Haodong Nguratiang indik paiketan bilateral Jakarta-Beijing. Paruman Presiden Xi Jinping miwah Presiden Jokowi nyenayang makekali panegara medue misi miwah visi sanepateh antuk nincapang kali panegara kapungkur wekas. Asa punika taler pindah ke pemargin antuk nguwetuang kasukertan miwah perdamaian dunia. Konjen Gou Haodong maosang pamidabda paiketan ipun urati ring widang pendidikan miwah kebudayaan pantaraning Indonesia miwah Tiongkok inggih punika Tourism Confucius Center saking unud miwah pemerintah Tiongkok. Indik pikedah pariwana Bali mangda melajahin bahasa Mandarin konjen yang rebecik antuk pemargin punika. Santukan akeh pariwana sani ngamiletin melajah bahasa Mandarin.
Also, cooperation between universities in Bali with some Chinese universities are also going on well. Some are under negotiation. Some has been already made some achievements, like the Confucius Tourism School in Udayana University.
Saha Yohana saking Tiongkok taler urati antuk melajah bahasa Indonesia keaptiang kapungkur sida ngemargiang pertukaran pelajar Indonesia Tiongkok. Konjen Gou Haodong mepengabdi pengerau wisatawan Indonesia sayan ageng ke Tiongkok. Muatang panincapan paiketan Tiongkok sareng Bali mangde sayan ngelimbakan.
Yeah, there are some progress in this area, in the area of Mandarin learning. I'm very glad that the many young people here are very interested or enthusiastic in learning Mandarin. But I'm very confident that with joint efforts from both of us, more and more Chinese young people will learn Bahasa Indonesia, and more Indonesian young people will learn Mandarin. So this will help greatly, immensely, the exchange of our culture, education, and also to enhance the understanding and the friendship between our two peoples.
Muatang panincapan paiketan Tiongkok sareng Bali mangde sayan ngelimbakang. Melarapan antuk paiketan puniki dani taler sampun niagayang media profesional antuk nyobiahang kaluwihan Tiongkok miwah Bali sani mejanten paiketan makekali panegara puniki sayan rumaket miwah memargi becik.
In this respect, I believe the media can do something. So our office is ready to cooperate with media to introduce to both peoples, Indonesia and China. Yeah, let's work together.
Eni Parina, Bali TV.